Ka sin penlong kebahanyo jong ke India France Joint Military Exercise Shakti ka sedang menta ka sengiha umroi ribuai distrik ha ke jaka ke belak krek kerpang kat kum kejuk ka bamenta ka baderu shibenta ka jingkilan met jong ke Shipai India ber France ka banne kum ba ar tayo lenter ban penkut ya ka hadu ka ar pandru terim tau benai ha kate ka jing sedang ya kate ka program kilan met jong ke Shipai India ber France lawan ru bandon rengkat dau HE Thierry Matthew ubade unong kitis im kari France ya India Major General Prasanna Sudhakar Joshi General Officer Commanding 51 Sub Area, bat kiwi kihe Shipai jong kari France bat India. Ya ketika exercise Shakti, laju penlong kari France bat kari India, bat kasin ke bakhadu bala penlong ya ka kadai House Nam Arjarap Huwei kari France, bat ka jintmu jong ketika jingkilan metlang ki Shipai India bat France. Kalau mat Pynkhlaiñ ki buit, bat ki jingkilan na baro artili kiri, kumno banya ko ni kinong shun, ki batmu man pentu de kasuk kasain, hapo ka chapter 7 jong ka United Nations. Lyngba ketika jingkilan metlang jong ki Shipai India bat France, kin company jingmut haki jaka bakam bar ki balong lum banya sami ki buit kilan bani khun ki nangshun haki rukom ki baper nalor ka jing panal kami ki durun nasun bar kane kan kantiu ka jinga dai juki artli kiri hakaliang ki bor Shipai bar ka jinga dai kari na ki nangshun ha kate ka jingkilan kumba khanai phongur ki Shipai India balam ikmat daga Rajput regiment ki lawan bana shimanta nalor ki nongpek perman ki Indian Navy bat Indian Air Force karbana kliang ka reference kinan kumba khanai phongur ki balam ikmat Naka 13 Foreign Legion Half Brigade.
I want first to present our warmest thanks to the 27th Regiment for its warm welcome and support, which clearly sets the exercise on a great path. I have no doubt that this new and improved Shakti 23-24 will be a great success and will perfectly illustrate the way the partnership between our armies has kept developing these past 2 years.
I consider myself extremely fortunate to be part of this joint exercise Shakti. As we can see, the joint training load at Pynkhlaiñ conducts training for Indian Armed Forces and forces from friendly foreign countries. Exercise Shakti will focus on the mechanics of conduct of sub-conventional operations under the Chapter 7 of United Nations mandate, undertaking company-level joint operations and sharing from each other's best practices. We look forward to our French counterparts for enriching ourselves with their knowledge, skills and expertise. The endeavor of the exercise is to learn from each other's shared experiences, develop jointmanship and interoperability through constructive dialogue between individuals and small groups. During the 14 days of staying together, we aspire to work closely with each other to enhance our trust and shared understanding.
Actually, I like to describe this partnership as universal because literally it goes from the deep ocean to the outer space. And obviously, defense and security is a major pillar, and I must say, the major pillar of our partnership with India. As you know, it takes place in the context of the Indo-Pacific strategy. And I would like to say that this cooperation between France and India in the sector of defense and security is organized around 3 pillars. I mean, actually, we have to work on 3 legs, if I may say. The first one is our strategic dialogue, meaning that we share the same vision. I just use the term of Indo-Pacific strategy. So France coined its own Indo-Pacific strategy back in 2018. We have a vision of obviously a peaceful, inclusive region, and as a matter of fact, we share the same vision as India. So, same vision, joint strategic views on the state of the region is essential and is really at the core of our partnership. Second is our cooperation on defense equipment. So of course you are all aware of our close relation as far as Rafale jet are concerned, Scorpion submarines. I could make a long list of equipments, air, marine, land, where France and India have a strong cooperation. I want to insist on the fact that all the major French companies dealing in the security and defense sectors are here in India, totally complying with the Make in India concept and developing their cooperation with the stakeholders in this country. So joint vision on the Indo-Pacific strategy, cooperation on defense equipment, and of course, joint military exercise. And this exercise, once again, as I said, is the third of its type, very important for our military men to interact, first of all to know each other, but to exchange good practices, and at the end, if they have to work, to fight together, they will exactly know how to proceed. So this kind of exercise we have in all dimension, naval, air force, and here land exercise, very important. So once again, we attach a great importance to this interaction. As I said earlier, the future of the cooperation between France and India in the security and defense sector is bright. So we are looking forward to developing it in the three legs I just